Hello all. So Prelims is just 90 days away for your UPSC CSC Prelims 2024, which is scheduled on May 26. So every year I will be coming up with exclusive current affairs sessions, and this time also coming up with exclusive current affairs session, which will be provided free to our GSP ECM students, which will be provided free for Vijay Baba students, which we very strategically started the test series. And this current affairs is going to be 40 hours of session, whereby I will be covering the current affairs classes from June onwards, June to April 2024. So overall I will be covering 11 months of current affairs, as well as government schemes, government legislations, government policies, government missions. In this way, overall 40 hours of the sessions will be completing your total current affairs, which are prelims oriented. So in this, the program is going to start from 29th February, Thursday. On that day, I am going to start with June 2023 current affairs. It will be of 2 hours, very quick revision, and you will be provided with the PDF also. Offline people will be provided with printout, and online students will be provided with PDF. In this way, 29th Feb will be the Thursday, and I will be giving the gap of 3 days. In that 3 days, you can prepare your own preparation again. 2nd March Saturday I will be doing July, and 6th March I will be doing August, and 9th March I will be doing September. In that way, for every 3 days there will be a current affairs, monthly current affairs class of 2 hours. Very quick revision. We will be doing complete current affairs, which will be covering international relations, science and technology, environment, polity, economy, archaeology, history, whatever happened in that particular month with respect to subject. I will be doing the current affairs, which will be exclusively helpful for your prelims and also helpful for your mains. In that way, I will be doing the current affairs. So in that way, from June to March, I will be doing by 30th March, and then it will be continued 1st April. Then I will be doing with reports and indices also. 2 sessions I will be doing, like Global Hunger Index or World Economic Outlook, all the reports and indices in a quick revision format. 4 hours I will be taking the session. Then I will be taking, if you notice here, government schemes, I will be taking 2 sessions of 4 hours. Then national policies I will take. In that national policies only I will be covering the government legislations also. Then important judgments. What are all the important judgments in these last 2, 3, 4 years? Why? Because after Narendra Modi government of 2019, all the government schemes, all the government legislations of 2019 new government I will be discussing with important judgments. International organization outcomes plus declaration, like G20 summit of Delhi. What is the New Delhi declaration? In that way, the important new declarations from the international organizations in the last 2 years, means 2024, 2023 and 2022, I will be discussing, so that you won't miss in the examination hall. And international events in the news also I will be discussing. On 11th April I will be completing the international events, but April 2024 month should be completed, no? So on 30th April again I will take one more class on April 2024. In that way, 20 lectures. If you see here, 20 lectures, each lecture will be of 2 hours. 40 hours of lecture hours you will be getting, which will be of high quality, which will be taken by me. And current affairs from June to 2023 to April 2024 will be covered. All government schemes, national policies, national missions, as I told you earlier, reports and indices, important judgments, international organizations and declarations, and international events in the news. In this way, the 40 lectures of complete UPSC CSC prelims point of view current affairs classes, including the rest of the topics like government schemes, government missions, government policies, new government legislations, reports and indices, international relations, international organization declarations. In that way, I will be covering all the current affairs related content and will be provided to you. In this way, the program is going to start from 29th of February, which will be very much helpful to you. So if you want to join this particular course, so the course is also at very viable, at very cheaper, so that it will be helpful for you. All the best. Jai Hind.